Hi, this video is about the prediction of the fourth activity of FM friction and slowing. Three students discuss a simple experiment where someone give a cart a quick push and then let it move along the track on its own. They noticed that their speed of graph shown above indicates that the cart was slowing down very gradually after the initial push, and discuss why they think this was happening. The question is, do you agree with Drael, Christine, Samantha, or with none of them? Explain your thinking. I want to say that I agree with Christine. That yes, friction is a force that resident one object against another object. I think because of the friction that car's motion slows down. And for the other, use the pictures below to draw force diagrams for the cart in the experiment described above. The first while it is increasing speed during the initial push, the second after the push while the speed of the cart is gradually decreasing. Explain why do you draw your diagrams as you did. Diagram is these two pictures. This is speed of when the after while the initial push. Because of the initial push on the cart motions increasing, and speed of that I show with this half arrowhead that increase in the speed. And for second pictures, say that after the initial push, the friction between the cart and the table cause the decrease in the motions of the cart. And other question is, if you have examined friction type contact push-pull interaction in unit EM of this course, you would have given a wooden block a push across the table and seen it slow and stop. We said this was due to friction, but how do you think friction actually works? Friction is a force that occurs when two surface slide past one another. The force of friction opposes the motions of the object, causing moving objects to lose energy and slow down. Whatever you think friction is a force or not, explain what do you think was actually happening and that slowed the block down. Yes, friction is a force that causes slow the block down. Friction resisted block against the table and it caused slow the block down.